What's up, guys? Looks like we got a little present here. It's about 6 a.m. and we woke up to a little bit of powder on the road. The darn snowplow just came through here like 10 minutes ago, but it's still gonna be slick enough, and I'm sure there's gonna be some nice little parking lots around that haven't been hit yet. So I was hoping to get a little bit of footage, so let's see if we can find something. Let's do a little launch here and see what we can do. End of that was fun. What's up, guys? So it snowed. We're in the Black Wagon right now. We're just gonna make a little trip to the gas station and just see how the roads are doing. Slick. It's fun. We're on shot summer tires. Like, these things have been taken out behind the barn and they've been shot once or twice. Camber wear, toe wear, it's horrible. So we're not in the best of shape right now, but you know, we'll see what she can do. You know, we might not even make it to the gas station, honestly. We may just take a little ride over to the little high school parking lot over there where there's a little bit of room. We can see if we can get it to stretch its legs a little bit. This parking lot, oh yeah, this parking lot usually has a little bit more. Like this guy's trying to cock block me over here.